is that something different?
So the tenet of sales is about basic selling skills, right? The
Oh,
basic selling skills. I am a firm believer, and this has been proven over many years of doing this myself and teaching clients. When you master the basics, you're
okay.
going to be fundamentally, wildly successful. So, what do I mean by the fundamentals? Okay. So, the fundamentals of selling, right? You have to learn how to ask questions in a conversational manner because you're having a conversation. You're not interrogating anybody, right? So, you need to be conversational, right? You need to understand if this person is a prospect of yours. You have to qualify them. Okay.